Good morning guys, nahihirapan ba kayong umatras dahil walang reverse camera ang sasakyan ninyo? So I have this dashcam na meron siyang feature na reverse camera. So once na nilagay ko siya sa reverse, automatic nang lalabas yung parking guidelines with a blind spot detection. So makikita mo yung green dito, it's actually the blind spot detection, nag-work siya. So pag green pa, malayo pa yung object mo sa likod. So as you can see, ito yun, no? Yan, yun yung green sa likod. So that is the blind spot detection that I am talking about. So yun guys, if you are interested at wala pang reverse camera yung sasakyan ninyo at wala pang dashcam, I highly recommend this EST F24. It's one of the best dashcam in the market today. So you can also adjust the height ng camera mo sa likod just by tapping this icon, di ba? So pag gusto mong wide angle, yung 0 lang. So kung gusto mong sagad-sagad at you want to see the foreground sa likod,